Good morning, third grade scholars. So as promised, this video is going to show you guys how to log into Raz Kids. Raz Kids is a website that has tons of reading resources for you to be able to read books on your own levels, just in case you don't have a lot of books at home. And since we're not in school, I thought it was a pretty cool way for you to still have your reading materials. I'm going to show you two different ways of how to get onto Raz Kids, either using an app on your iPad or your tablet or your phone, or by using a laptop or a desktop computer and going through the internet browser. So here we're going to start off with the app. As you can see, that orange button with the little alien looking robot, that's going to be what the app looks like. You can download Kids A-Z. Once you click on the app, you're going to come to this screen. Here you'll have to input your teacher's username. All of our usernames are the same except for the name itself. So if you're in Miss Pickett's homeroom, you're going to type in Pickett third grade and then click the green button. If you're in Miss Lindsay's homeroom, you're going to click or type Lindsay third grade and then click the green button. And if you're in Miss Grant's homeroom, you'll type in Grant third grade and then click the green button. Once you are in, you're going to see several different buttons with initials underneath. These initials are representing the students in that class. You are going to find your own set of initials. Please do not click or log into anyone else's account. So find your initials and go ahead and click the button. And then you're going to type in your student password. The student password is WPCS and then the number 3. No spaces or anything in between. So WPCS 3 and then click go. And then you're going to come to a screen that kind of looks like this. Some of the screens may be different, but either way, you'll scroll down until you see the words My Assignment and then click, or sometimes it might say My Reading Assignment. And then go ahead and click on My Assignment. Here you'll see whatever book is on your level that I have already programmed to your account. You're going to see two different buttons. One button has a set of headphones and then the other button has a blue book. The headphones are if you need the book to be read to you. Now, I am hoping that my third grade scholars, unless absolutely necessary, will not click the headphones, that you're going to click the book and attempt to read the book yourself. They are all on your level, so you really should not have any problems for the most part. So you're going to click on that blue book, and then it's going to bring you to the book itself. To get to the next page, you're just going to swipe to the left, and that'll take you page by page. Once you have read the book, and you don't have to, especially if you have a chapter book, you don't have to read the entire book all in one day. You can read a couple of chapters per day. But once you get to the end of your book, you're going to see a comprehension questionnaire. This is going to let me know if you understood what you read. So please take that questionnaire at the end of every story, and I will get an alert letting me know that you've read the book, that you've completed the assignment, and then I can go ahead and check how well you've done. So this is going to be just another option that you're going to be able to use in addition to the YouTube video, the Zoom login lesson, as well as the iReady lesson. So here is just another tool or another resource that you can use. And now I'll show you how to get to Raz Kids by using an internet browser. So here you'll see I typed in raz-kids.com. You don't really need that slash at the end. It'll come up on its own. Go ahead and click enter. And then you'll see a green button that says Kids Login. Go ahead and click Kids Login. Again, here you are. You'll see the teacher's name. If the one that pops up, or if no names pop up, you can go ahead and type in their name, or you can click change teacher. Again, for Miss Pickett's homeroom, Pickett, 3rd grade with the number 3, Grant, 3rd grade, or Lindsay, 3rd grade, and then click the green button, go. So here are all of the buttons for each student. Remember to find your own set of initials and go ahead and click that button. Everything else is the same that I showed you with the app. You're going to type in the student password, which is WPCS3. Click go. And on this screen, you're going to have to scroll all the way down where it says this purple box that says reading assignments. Click on the purple box that says reading assignments. And then you'll come to another screen. It'll let you know how many assignments you have in there. And then you can scroll down to find your actual book. You'll see again that set of headphones as well as the blue book. Go ahead and click the blue book and it'll bring you to your personal assignment. To get to the next page, you'll just keep clicking the word next. And again, at the end of each book, you will have a questionnaire to take to answer the questions for the story. Hopefully this explains everything that you need to know to use Raz Kids. If you have any questions, please have your parents text me or email me and I can further assist them. Happy reading, you guys!